Welcome back to another episode of Pick It Built. Let's get back to work on this 280Z. Alright, so I finally got the welding situation figured out. Had some professional help come help me with this thing, and turns out all it was if you look in here real close, this connection was just a little bit loose, and so we just tightened that back up, and so it was basically just a hose leak. And we are all good to go, and welder is back in business. Man, all that, I'm an idiot. Alright, so now that we've got the welder back in business, let's take care of these rust holes that I know you guys have been looking at in the background. So next plan of attack, I've already been prying up on this edge, and we're going to cut these out and put some patch panels in. So I've got the actual patch panel replacements for the bottom lower half of each fender. Let's go ahead and start our cuts, and we can use these and fit in the pieces. Alright, so here's our rust piece cut out. Let's use this as a template for the new. Pretty rusty. Alright, I've cut out a little cardboard template here. Let's see if it fits into our side blinker delete. Alright, looks like we've got a fit. Let's transfer this to a piece of sheet metal. Alright, so we've got this metal piece cut out. Let's trim it to fit. Alright, here's our little first trial fit. Let's see what we got. Alright, that's close. Let's trim it a little more. Alright, second test fit. We are getting really close. Just a little more trimming. I think we'll have a perfect fit. Alright, after a little bit more trimming, we've got it fitting in there. I'm pretty satisfied with that. Alright, next step, let's get that welded in. Alright, so we've got this patch piece pretty close to fitting properly. So next plan of attack is weld these in. Alright, another welding dilemma. As soon as I started trying to weld these patch panels, you guessed it, now my welding helmet is not working right. Battery is just totally dead in it. I've had it outside trying to charge. You know, it's got the little solar panel on it, and it's just not charging. I've tried to reset button. It's showing low battery, you know, and that's after charging all day long. So I've ordered a new battery, and it's going to probably be till next week before that comes in. So that puts these fenders on hold, but we can go ahead and get the rear hatch and finish up some of these other things, and that be the only thing left that has to be done. Welding. I still love to weld. Alright, once again, we're out of time this week, but I wanted to leave you guys on a good note. We've got the light buckets ready, the rear hatch is completely ready, and I've got a surprise for you guys. Alright, so stay tuned. Here you go. Blah. Blah. Lost my train of thought. And I picked my nose.